Hi guys, this is Debbie. Today's project is going to be a bow using the envelope punch board. I think these turned out really cute and wanted to share that with you. First, we're going to start off by cutting off some strips. These are going to be about 1 inch wide. And then I'm cutting one at 5 inches, and then the other 2 strips you see there, I'm going to cut to 6 inches. So now we're going to be cutting a narrow section on each of these strips. We're going to be punching the smallest of the 3 at 2.5, which is right at the center point, and doing a punch on both sides. And then we take each of the 6-inch strips and we're going to do the same thing, punching those at 3 inches. Next, we're going to just round all of the corners. On the third strip, I'm actually going to be using the punch to add a fishtail end to each of those ends on that. Now it's time to do the assembly part, put everything together. We're going to first break down some of the paper so that it curves better with our scoring tool there. So I'm using a bone folder to do that. And then I'm going to be adhering the 2 ends to the center, lining up with the curve from the inner punch that we did. Next step is to put everything together. We're going to be stacking each of those pieces one on top of the other. The longest strip is the one with the fishtails, then we've got the medium size, and then the small one goes on the top. And now you have a bow. To top it off, you could put some kind of an embellishment on there. I'm going to be putting a pearl on there. Kind of goes along with the little seed theme of the paper. So I'm going to adhere that on. And our bow is finished. You can always fluff out the loops of the bow a little bit more, give it a little bit more dimension, but I think it looks good either way. Thank you guys for dropping by. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a wonderful crafty day. Thank you much.